Welcome to Emporda, a timeless region where nature and tranquility merge into a perfect symphony of peace. From above, the patchwork of fields stretches endlessly, a testament to the enduring connection between the land and its people. Some fields wear the vibrant green of life, while others rest, awaiting their season of renewal. The landscape unfolds in gentle waves, its flat plains punctuated by charming country houses, each holding stories of generations past. This is a land of simplicity and harmony, where the rhythms of nature guide the hands of those who call it home. As we drift above this serene expanse, let your mind wander and your spirit relax. Emporda invites you to pause, to breathe, and to marvel at the understated beauty of its countryside. This is the heart of Catalonia, where the gentle whispers of the wind carry with them the soul of this enduring land. And now we descend, swooping closer to the heart of Emporda, where the land reveals its intricate details. Like a bird riding the currents, we weave through the fields, skimming the earth and brushing past the whispering trees. The ground rushes beneath us, alive with textures, soft soils, rugged paths, and the golden glint of sunlight on blades of grass. Each twist and turn tells a story of nature's artistry, of roots deep in the earth and branches reaching for the heavens. Feel the thrill of speed, the exhilaration of freedom. We surf the landscape, racing through this timeless canvas, where every tree and every shadow dances in harmony with the wind. Emporda, from above and below, is a celebration of vitality, movement, and life's boundless energy. This is more than a flight. It's a journey into the pulse of the land, a symphony of nature in motion. As we gently descend and prepare to touch down, we leave behind the breathtaking vistas of Emporda, but carry its beauty and tranquility in our hearts. Thank you for joining me on this journey, soaring above fields, trees, and timeless landscapes. I hope this flight has brought you a moment of peace, wonder, and connection with the land. If you've enjoyed this adventure, I invite you to join me again in the next video where new horizons await. Until then, take care, stay curious, and keep exploring. See you soon.